Guys, we got another one. I'm gonna try to flip him up here. Yeah. There we go. So guys, we got another blue cat. No, we don't. We got a channel cat. Nice, healthy channel cat. Now that's another one down. Now, if you haven't seen it, check out my last YouTube short. It actually just happened about an hour ago. I got hooked up on 2 blues at the same time. Now for bait, we're just using these large live. Well, they're not large, but we're using these live shad here. And actually, I think that one was cut in half, which is probably what we're going to do again. Yeah, this little piece of bait like that. We're not fishing for monsters, we're just fishing. We're gonna get this one thrown back out here and try to catch us another one. I'll get out there and go fishing.